So if there's one thing you need when it comes to making money online, it's traffic. Traffic is like the thing. It's the lifeblood of our industry. We get traffic all different kinds of ways. If we're vendors, we're creating products so that we can sell the products, and then we get the buyer's email address, and then we can use that buyer's email address to promote our own products or other people's products, and we're the affiliate. That's how we get our traffic when we're vendors. But at the same time, because we're not launching every day, we're not getting new leads every day that way, we're always looking for different ways that we can get quality traffic that's actually going to convert into leads and into sales. And you probably know that Fergal is always in the background testing everything that he can to find something that works, and then he brings it to me and Max and shows us, and we're like, yeah, that looks good, let's do it. And the most recent one that he brought us was this one where he said, lads, I can actually send my link to 300,000 people a day and it's not costing me anything. All right. So we're like, okay, well, that sounds good, but is it getting you anything? And he's like, yeah, it's getting me leads, it's getting me sales. So that's when it got our attention, and we thought, right, this would be a great one to put a course together. So we started testing it to make sure that it worked, and sure enough, it did. Now, there's just a couple of things I want to say to you. Traffic Monsoon is a training program. Traffic Monsoon doesn't get you the 300,000 clicks, but what it does do is show you the system and how to set it up. Now, the system that we're using has been around for a while, and when you get inside, it can be a bit daunting and look a bit complicated. And that's actually what happened when Fergal started using it. He went inside, he was like, I'm not even going to go there. I'm not even going to try, because this just looks like a real nightmare. And the thing is, if you were to do that, go in and see that and think, oh, you'd be missing out on a massive opportunity. So what he's done is he's created some really simple training to show you the easiest and quickest way to get in and get your traffic. All right. Now, a couple of things to say. You can pick up Traffic Monsoon, which will show you everything you need to know, for $12.95, right? We're already number one on JVZoo, and we've only launched a couple of hours ago. It's absolutely flying, all right? So you can get Traffic Monsoon for $12.95. When you get in Traffic Monsoon, you start taking the training, you can go to the platform that we're showing you, and you can implement what we've shown you, and you can get free traffic every single day. So if you want, you only have to spend $12.95, all right? So anyone can get in on this. It's dirt cheap. If you want to get to the stage where you can send your link to 300,000 people, and it's more than 300,000 people, on a daily basis, then inside the system, there's an upgrade. It's just a one-time fee of $39.99, right? So less than $40, and that's like a forever price. From that point forward, you never pay again, and you just send to the entire database every single day. In fact, I think you can do it every hour if you wanted to. So it's like a numbers game, right? Because there's so much traffic, that's why when you're doing those kind of numbers, you're going to get leads and you're going to get sales. So we are genuinely excited about this one, because it's a really, really simple way for you to go and get your link in front of people and make sales. Now, inside Traffic Monsoon, what we also give you is the ability to promote Traffic Monsoon itself as an affiliate. Guaranteed approval, so you can get an affiliate link to use to send your traffic to if you haven't got one. If you've already got affiliate links you want to use, then fair enough. If you've already got your own products, obviously, then fair enough. But if you don't have a link, then we've got you covered there as well. And of course, a special little twist there is that one of the upgrades in Traffic Monsoon is to get you bumped to 100% commissions. So that way you get 100% commissions on the entire funnel of Traffic Monsoon. So you can make some really decent money. All right, so this is a great way to build a list without being a vendor, without creating products, and to get affiliate commissions really easily by sending your links to like a massive amount of people very, very easily. Now, also inside the system, Fergal will show you which parts of the system work and how to use those, and also how to use those like really simply rinse and repeat, so that you can literally go in each day and just go click, click, done, click, click, done, click, click, done, and you're out. Simple as that. All right, so it's really easy. Anyone can do this. So we're giving you the training, the traffic source, and the offer. Don't get much better than that, guys, does it? Now, I want to tell you as well that I've also got some lovely bonuses for you. First of all, just this is to show you that we are #1 top selling product. There we are, Traffic Monsoon Trevor car today. And as I said, we've only just gone live, but it's already flying. So you want to grab yours as soon as you can. I'm going to give you one of my latest releases, Luxury Viral Reels. So this is 3,000 luxury viral reels, B-roll videos. It's a fantastic package, all right? You're going to get that absolutely free. So if you didn't pick it up from me, you're going to get that as a bonus completely free, all right? So that is, and you can use those to generate traffic on social media, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, insane, all right? So that's the sales page there for Luxury Viral Reels, and you're going to get that absolutely free. I'm also going to give you my viral hooks collection, and that's 800 viral video hooks. So these are like the short hooks that you can put at the beginning of a video. You can stitch them together, and you can use them on your social media platforms, again, to drive a ton of traffic. So you're going to get that. You're also going to get my viral hooks videos cheat sheet, which gives you all the cheats that you need to do in order to use the viral hooks to their best advantage. And I'm going to give you Income Accelerator. It's going to show you how we make $370.38 every day with artificial intelligence. All right, so I'm sure you're going to love that one. You get that for free. And you're going to get Virality, which is over 1,000 viral videos ready to go, again, to explode your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and just get a ton of traffic. All right, you're going to get that free as well. Plus, you're going to get Niche Domination Prodigy, which is going to show you how we dominate any niche in 20 minutes. Super simple method. Method learned from a course that Fergal recently purchased for just under $1,000. All right, so you're going to get that for free as well. Plus, I'm going to give you one of my latest releases, which is Kids Book Mastery. This is going to teach you how you can make kids books and sell them on Amazon. All right, great way to make money. You're going to get that for free. Plus, you're going to get my self-help video courses PLR. That's 25 ready to go video courses with PLR rights, which means it's like your own product. Right, so you can sell this and keep every penny you make, and you could use Traffic Monsoon to send traffic to this so you can sell it. Right, so it's a no-brainer. And I'm going to give you my ultimate PLR collection, which is massive. That's 30,000 ready to sell PLR products. Right, so 30,000 of your own products, you might as well say, that you can keep every penny of as well. Plus, I'm going to give you my video courses collection, which is 700 video courses with PLR rights. So you can see now you're getting a ton of traffic and you get a ton of products to send the traffic to. Again, you can sell these and keep every penny you make. And I'm going to give you Rapid Traffic Flow, which is another great traffic program, and that's from James and Max. You're going to get that for free. And I'm going to give you Hidden Traffic Formula, again, another traffic program from James and Mac. So you get all of that when you pick up Traffic Monsoon through my link, all right? So as you can see, no brainer, it's $12.95. You get Traffic Monsoon and all of those bonuses. Can't do better than that, right? So go ahead, grab this as soon as you can. I'm going to limit it, as always, to 50 packages. So the first 50 people get all those bonuses. So jump in quickly, pick yours up, and let's make some money. Don't forget to check that you are cookie to me on the checkout page down the bottom. It's a JV Zoo checkout page, and you're going to see, yes, I am the vendor, but you want to see that it's been referred by me as well. If the affiliate is Trevor Carr, then you'll get these bonuses. All right, important that you check that so you don't miss out on these bonuses. Okay, that's it from me. Hope you're well. All the best to you and yours, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.